Don't laugh.
Yeah, remember no fucking laughing? Remember what's gonna happen when you laugh when I try and do your piercing?
Mhm.
And it'll gonna stick right into your intestines and your dinner's gonna come out your fucking navel piercing. Good, just totally relax. You're just gonna feel a little bit of a poke as I line it up right before you do your piercing for you.
Just relax.
Cool, just a bit of a pinch there.
There you go. Don't put your hands anywhere. Move your hands.
Oh, that hurts.
Oh, I'm just gonna slide your jewelry in there for you.
My hand is really sweaty.
Pull there.
I think you have a baby.
You see you got a baby too. Good, hold still there. I'm just gonna thread the top bead on your jewelry. And then done.